Hello guys, welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the texturing part for this particular interior over here. So now what we'll be doing over here is like we'll be continuing with the texturing part further over here. So the things which are left out over here to be textured up, so we'll be doing that. So very first of all, what we'll be doing over here is we'll be texturing this few of the assets over here. So let's select this. Let's again go into the material editor and let's take a V-Ray material. So we'll be assigning a ceramic material over here. So let's go into this drive and we'll be assigning the ceramic over here. So already I have downloaded this ceramic texture over here. Let's give a UVW map. So if you want to give some roughness, you can give some roughness. You can just rename it as ceramic. You can give a bit of reflectiveness. So after that, let's go over here, assign the same over here, UVW map, set it as a box, select this frames over here. So we'll be assigning some texture to these frames. So let's again go into material, V-Ray material. So diffuse bitmap. So we have definitely taken some texture over here. So we can just assign this for this painting over here. So let's inverse this. Let's go into material, take a V-Ray material and let's just give a bit of a darker color to it. Assign that, come out of that, select this, go again into material, take a V-Ray material, go into diffuse, go into bitmap and let's do assign. So this is also a good painting. So UVW map, set it as a box. So I can just select this polygons, or you can go into this and you can fit it in this way. Control I, inverse. So we can just see the textures. Okay, much better. So once you're done, you can just click outside over here. So I'll be selecting this part, and for the lamp I'm going to give a ceramic over here, the another ceramic material. So let's go into this V-Ray material, go into the bitmap. So I have already taken another ceramic material, so I'll be using this another ceramic material. So you can just preview this. Yeah, that's what. So just assign this over here, give a UVW map, and you can give a bit of reflectivity. Select this. For the light, let's take again a V-Ray material. Into that V-Ray material, what I'll be doing over here, instead of V-Ray material, I'll be taking a V-Ray light material. So light material would be much better over here. So let's just assign a light material to it in this way. So definitely that would look good over here. So assign this, select this, assign the light material, UVW map, set it as a box. So select this. So for this we definitely need to give a glass. So let's go into this, take a V-Ray material, let's name it as glass over here, give it a bit of whitish color, go into refract and just assign that, inverse it, and you can give a bit of a frame color. So if you want to give the same frame color, you can assign this frame color, no problem, that looks good over here. So you can give a bit of a darker frame color if it is required, not a problem. After that, let's go into this, select this. So for this we'll be just assigning some colors over here. So that's the branch over here. So for the branch, we'll be assigning a color, brownish color. So just assign the brownish color over here and do assign the same color for that also. After that, let's go on to the leaf section over here. Let's again go into the material, take a V-Ray material, bitmap. So we have a leaves texture. Not a problem, we'll just take it as a leaf texture over here. So leaf texture, we can take a PNG over here for any leaf. Just take a PNG texture. So we can just save as this. Let's see. There's some issue with that. Just save this file. Just reset it. Sometimes happens. there's some issue with that, not a problem. uh, I'll just open Photoshop over here first. So just open that image over here. Okay, there's some problem with the file, I guess. So it's better we go with some other file. Just erase the background over here. So just crop that. So just save it in PNG, interlist, and let's go into this material. Call that so UVW map box. So you can just set it in that way. So I can go into this gizmo and I'll slightly scale this much better. So now looks good over here. So just convert to poly, material, assign in the same way, UVW map, go into that, gizmo, scale that, convert to poly, select that, material, assign that, UVW map, gizmo, box, scale that, select that, material, UVW map, box, gizmo, and scale that. So now what I can do over here is like I can just select this and convert to poly, and I can just group that. So I can just duplicate that over here. So we don't need to assign this again and again for all. So select this 4 elements and delete that. Simple. So select this, slightly push it up over here, scale that, arrange it in that way. So just again duplicate that. That's it. So save your file. So we can just set up a camera. So I can just set up a normal camera. If you want to set up a V-Ray camera, that also you can put over here. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the next tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.